When we're using YouTube, you may see so many shorts. The thing is, when you open the YouTube app, you can see shorts right on the first page. Sometimes you click on one short, and then you start doom scrolling. So the problem is that they're showing the shorts feed in your YouTube app. If you want to remove it, you can do that now. You just need to change one setting, and after that, you won't see the shorts section in your YouTube app anymore. Anyway, to do that, what you need to do is open the YouTube app. After that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo, and here you'll see the settings option. Click on settings. When you click on that, here you can see time management. Click on time management. When you click on that, here you can see daily limits. Under that, you'll see shorts feed limit. If it's turned off, just turn it on. After that, you need to select 0 minutes. So your shorts feed limit will be set to 0 minutes. And if you want, you can also set it to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. If you set it like that, after you watch shorts for this much time, you won't see the shorts feed for the rest of the day. Anyway, here I'm selecting 0 minutes. After that, if you go back and refresh, on your first page you won't see any shorts suggestions. And here the shorts option is still there. If you click on it, you'll see a page like this: you've reached your shorts feed limit. If you want, you can change the settings and view the shorts. But since we want to make some changes, there's a chance we may stop seeing shorts for that time. So this way, you can easily remove shorts from your YouTube feed. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.